How to use MITAI N3 grammar. MITAI has three main uses. MITAI is used to guess, used to compare, and used to take up as an example. The first usage. MITAI is used to guess based on observation or feelings. Koe ga kikoe. First example. Koe ga kikoemasu. Dare ga iru mitai da. A sound is heard, or we can hear a sound. Dare ga iru mitai da. It looks like someone is there. This we are taking this guess based on an observation, thus mitai. Ano mise wa itsumo konde imasu ne, ninki ga aru mitai desu. That shop is always crowded. It seems that it looks like it is very popular. So as you can see, the verb aru is used before mitai. Aru is the root form of the verb arimas. Whenever a verb, an e group or an a group adjective or a noun is used before mitai, they are used in their plain form. The second usage, the appearance or the condition of object A, person A resembles B. So let's delve into this. Examples. The first example, Anoko wa ningyo mitai desu ne. That child looks like a doll. So we are comparing the child, Anoko, to a doll, to a ningyo. So thus we use mitai. Ano onna wa watashi no okasan mitai ni shinsetsu desu. That lady, that woman is kind like my mother. So we are comparing ano onna to watashi no okasan, and a quality is added here. In the previous sentence there was no quality. We just said that child is like a doll, but we didn't say how the child is like a doll. We didn't say that child is as beautiful as the doll. We didn't say that child is as good looking or is as happy as a doll. So in this sentence, however, a quality, that is shinsetsu, kind, is added. And because mitai is used exactly like a na group adjective, we have to use ni before shinsetsu. So ano onna wa watashi no okasan mitai ni shinsetsu desu. So moving on to the third usage, the mitai is also used to take object A as an example. This third usage and the second usage are kind of the same. You can think of them as the same, doesn't really matter. The first example, A-san mitai ni benkyou shite itara kitto ukemasu yo. If you study like A-san, you will surely pass an exam. That is the nuance. So A-san mitai ni. In this sentence, we are taking A-san as an example, and we are saying that if you study like A-san, itara, if you study like A-san, you will surely pass. So in this example, we are comparing A-san's way of studying. We are taking A-san's way of studying as an example. The second example, kinshi sareta mitai tokoro ni wa gomi o suteru no wa ikemasen. Kinshi, prohibition, sareta, prohibited places. Prohibited mitai tokoro, places that look like they are prohibited. Tokoro ni wa, in those places. Gomi o suteru no wa ikemasen. You are not allowed to throw waste or throw garbage. So in this example sentence, kinshi sareta tokoro is taken up as an example to tell the reader that you should not throw garbage. So that is a quick overview. That's a quick overview of the mitai pattern and how to use it. So now let's leave with a homework. Please write your answers down in the comments, or at least try this out. Describe the following situation using mitai. So we are going to be practicing the first usage of mitai. So this is a drawing that you have to describe using mitai. Thank you for watching. Bye bye till the next time. Matane.